Greetings, traders. Are you watching YouTube videos to improve your skills and change your life for the better? Then you have come to the right place. Take a look at this screenshot on the screen. My subscriber has implemented a powerful AI robot assistant in his strategy, which gives out highly accurate signals. It quickly led him to results. He invested $500 and achieved huge amounts quickly. The bot is free. Pick it up at the link in the description. After a month, you can only pick it up for a fee. Recommend you hurry up, folks. And to not miss new content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. I'll be very much looking forward to your likes and comments. Okay, here we go. I received a forecast from the bot and opened the first trade. Active buy is a signal from MaxBot. I enter each trade in strict accordance with the forecasts from him. Franc to yen, 5 minutes. Frequency of updating data in the robot 1 minute. I can see from the historical data that price has been moving up the corridor for the past 30 minutes. I think that now there will be a local decline followed by an upward bounce. I think the bulls will regain strength. And in the detailed report from the bot, 11 indicators are burning green. That means that the vast majority of indicators see bullish sentiment in the next 5 minutes. Guys, if you haven't picked up the bot yet, now is the time to do so. It's free. The link is below the video. Also, in addition to the bot, you'll get access to a VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Let's not sugarcoat it. Trading isn't just charts and candles. It's a mental battlefield. And your first weapon? Money management. Look, you can have the cleanest strategy, the fanciest indicators, even the best entry points, but if you're risking too much per trade, you're just throwing grenades in the dark. The smartest traders in the world, the ones who stay in the game year after year, they all follow the same rule. Risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. No exceptions. No gambling. Why? Because survival is the name of the game. Let's make it real. If you have a $100 deposit, you trade $1 per deal. Your profit is 80 cents per win. If you have a $1,000 deposit, you trade $10 per deal. That's $8 per win. And if your deposit is $10,000, you trade $100 per deal. That's $80 profit every time you hit. This is why your deposit matters. The bigger the base, the bigger the earnings. It's not about flexing your capital, it's about unlocking your full potential. Professional traders fund their accounts not to brag, but to scale. To multiply. To grow. So if you're trying to make big moves with a tiny balance, you're boxing with one arm tied behind your back. Let me guess. You're losing trades. You've blown an account. You're sitting there wondering if this trading life is even for you. That's the story every successful trader has lived through. You think people just woke up one day and printed profits like a vending machine? No. They failed. Hard. Over and over. Take Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. $7 in his pocket. No direction. He could have quit. Instead, he became the highest paid actor in the world. In the meantime, I successfully completed my first transaction. My bot did the job perfectly, it understands the market. Now, for a change, I'm changing currency pairs. Pound to yen. Bot is a tool with which you will really start to earn. Its signals are 80% on average. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn, the link in the description. Active buy is the new prediction from artificial intelligence. Once again, 11 indicators are glowing green. This indicates strong bullish sentiment in the coming minutes. Yes, MaxBot is really a super quality and useful tool to help you start earning. After intensive growth an hour ago, the price corrected and a period of consolidation began, which lasted until now. I think that the price will rise within this corridor and may be able to break the resistance zone closer to the end of the 5-minute time frame. I am sure that the bot gave me a correct signal. There is a large-scale contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck! Look at Colonel Sanders, the man behind KFC. Over 1,000 people rejected his recipe before someone gave him a shot, at age 65. Or Steve will do it. Built an empire on challenges and absurd content, but behind the scenes, relentless consistency and strategy. These people failed, pivoted, adapted. That's the process. Every blown trade, every wrong call, every emotional exit. That's your training montage. You're not failing. You're leveling up. You ever play a game like Dark Souls? You keep dying. Over and over. You start memorizing patterns. You learn how to survive, how to strike, how to read the enemy. And then, one day, it clicks. The same goes for trading. The market isn't your villain, it's your coach. Every loss is feedback. Every mistake is a message. You're not being punished. You're being prepared. Think of Rocky Balboa. The training, the hits, the setbacks. Nobody believed in him, but he believed in the grind. He got back up, and that's what made him a champion. So, just now my trade closed in the plus side. Yes, 2 accurate signals from MaxBot, 2 pluses, total profit for today, $2,217. Get this powerful AI assistant from the link in the description for free. Subscribe to my Telegram channel and YouTube. See you soon.